Good morning, children. We have discussed the green algae. Green algae, chlorophyceae. Example: Actocarpus, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. We discuss about that. Now the second group of algae is Rhodophyceae or the red algae. The red color of the algae is due to the presence of pigment chlorophyll A, B and phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin. Red color due to the presence of chlorophyll A, B, phycoerythrin. This is the most showy group of algae. Red algae because it is colorful. So most showy plant on the earth. They are found on the aquatic. They are aquatic, so they are found in the deep water and also in the shallow water. The amount of pigment is more in the deep water. Yani Rhodophyceae algae looks more red in deep water. This pigment is more formed in the deep water, so more pigment or more phycoerythrin. And in the shallow water, it absorbs lesser, so the formation is less. In shallow water, the less pigment is formed. Members of this group, the Rhodophyceae, have no flagella. Flagella is found in the Chlorophyceae. Example of this group is Gelidium. Gelidium. And another one is Porphyra. The reserve food is Floridian starch. The Floridian starch is similar to amylopectin and glycogen. The cell wall, these all point: pigment, cell wall, reserve food material, flagella, reproduction. We have to discuss in all the algae. So the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Next pactic, next sulfate. So cell wall is made up of cellulose, pactic and sulfate. Now the reproduction is of three types: vegetative, asexual and sexual reproduction. And vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. The vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Fragmentation means the plant body is divided into pieces, and each piece grow and give rise to the new plant body. And the asexual reproduction is by non-motile spores. Non-motile spores, we already told कि no flagella is found in the Rhodophyceae. So asexual reproduction by non-motile spores. So the Rhodophyceae, red algae, most showy plant because the presence of red color. The red color is due to the chlorophyll A and phycoerythrin. They are aquatic, found in the deep water has more pigment, and the shallow water the less pigment, because the absorption of blue-green wavelength in the water. No flagella is found. Example, Gelidium and Porphyra. The Porphyra is the another one also there, the Gracilaria and the Chondrus. The Chondrus, that is also called Irish moss. Irish moss. So these are the example. The reserve food material is Floridian starch. The cell wall made up of cellulose, pactic and sulfate. The reproduction may be vegetative by fragmentation method, asexual reproduction by non-motile spores, and the sexual reproduction we discussed by the gamete formation. The gametes are also non-motile because no flagella is found, and the oogamous. Oogamous means the anisogamous, the different size of gametes is there. So we discuss the sexual reproduction now. The reproduction in red algae is fragmentation, vegetative, asexual and sexual. The sexual reproduction is by gamete formation, and the gametes are oogamous. Oogamous means the female gamete is larger than the male gamete. The fusion takes place and the different type of gametes are there. So the detail we have discussed as the same in the detail like a chlorophyce. So no need to discuss again the sexual reproduction in a particular algae. Now we discuss the importance of red algae. The red algae commercially used to obtain the agar-agar. The agar-agar is a chemical obtained from red algae that is used in the laboratory. For the culture medium. To prepare the culture medium, the different fungus or other organisms are grow in the nutritive medium in which agar is added. And the second one, the Porphyra. The Porphyra is the algae we discussed. It is edible algae. Edible and used in soup and vegetative for flavor. Edible and used in soups and vegetables for flavor. And the third one, the Irish moss. The Irish moss Chondrus, that is the scientific name is Chondrus. It is hydrocolloid used in the chocolate making milk to settle down. So it make the thickness hydrocolloid. So it is used in making chocolate milk. Used in chocolate milk, clear milk, है ना? So clear milk normally when we make the chocolate milk it settled down. So by adding of Irish moss it is not settled down. It is remain the homogeneous. So these are the functions of the red algae. Now we discuss the brown algae. The brown algae Phaeophyceae. Now we will discuss the next group of algae, Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae, that is brown algae. The brown algae is brown due to the pigment chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. The brown color is due to the fucoxanthin. The flagella is there, the zoospores are there, biflagellate zoospore. And the example is Laminaria. Laminaria. The Phaeophyceae, the now commonly called the kelp. Example, Laminaria, the very long algae, it can be 20 meter long. The plant body is, for example, this is the substratum where it is attached. So the substratum, the rock may be there, and this one the holdfast. The holdfast is there, and this is the leaf-like structure style. Hold fast, and this is the leaf-like structure. The outside it is the style. The Laminaria, the other example, the Sargassum also. Sargassum. First example and the another. Fucus is also there. Actocarpus is also there. So these are also the example. The cell wall made up of cellulose and alginic acid and this is the phycocolloid. This alginine in the cell wall protect green plant or green algae from drying, है ना? So the alginic prevent the algae from drying. So these are the pigment found in it. Example: Laminaria, Sargassum, Fucus, Actocarpus. This is the vegetative structure of the algae. Cell wall made up of cellulose and alginic acid. The asexual reproduction. The reproduction will be asexual and the sexual reproduction. The asexual reproduction by diploid zoospore. So now we discuss the zoosporangium and the type of process of reproduction. The type of reproduction in Phaeophyceae. The asexual reproduction we discuss in the fucus. The fucus, the plant body is diploid, 2N, and the diploid plant body produce the diploid zoospore. These zoospore, when they get the suitable condition, they give rise to the diploid plant body. And next, in the Actocarpus, the asexual reproduction is of produce two kinds of sporangia. So plant body is diploid, and the two types of gametangia, sporangia are formed: unilocular and the multilocular, that is also known as plurilocular. In unilocular, the zoosporangia produced by meiosis. When they produce by meiosis, so haploid gametes are produced, haploid N, and each gamete gave rise to the new plant. When the new plant grow, they give rise the gametangia, male and female gametangia, that produce the gametes. These gametes fuse and form the zygote, and these zygote form the new plant of Actocarpus. Next, the multilocular, the spores are formed, zoospores are formed by mitosis. So diploid plant body and the diploid zoospores are formed. So each zoospore gives rise to the new plant, and plant is also the diploid. The zoospore are formed, they are like the chlorophyceae member. In chlorophyceae, also the flagellated zoospores are there. But in this, the slight difference in the zoospore, the chlorophyceae zoospores are biflagellate. They are also biflagellate, but the flagella are of different size. So the different type of flagella is there, but they are not in the anterior end, they are in the lateral side. So this is the apical end, the two flagella is there. The one is whip-like, that is wider at the base and tip is narrow. And the second one is tensile type, it is in uniform diameter, but the bristle-like structure are found in it. So these are the biflagellate zoospore, lateral flagella present, and the sexual reproduction is by saying the isogamous. Isogamous, the different types of gametes in which the oogamous, the female gamete is larger than the male. The economic importance, the brown algae produce the alginic acid. The importance, it gives alginic acid. Alginic acid that provide smooth consistency in the ice cream. Smooth thickness, consistency to the ice cream. So we discussed the three types of algae. Now the Thylophyta first group is finished, algae. Now we start in the next video, bryophytes.